Hello and welcome to Shambhavi Spectrum. Today, my beautiful, young, special star entrepreneur guest is Vinusha from Four Seasons Pastry. And I'm going to have a small session with her, which she has very kindly obliged to spend some time with me to talk about her journey from a star to a superstar. And soon we'll be having a shining star all over the place with all her beautiful information which she shares, her energy, her enthusiasm, everything. Welcome, Vinusha.
Hi, ma'am.
So, tell me about yourself a little bit before we go into detail about marketing. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Hi, everybody. This is Vinusha MK. I'm 10 year old. I'm the founder and chief baking officer. I call myself. I'm chief baking officer of Four Season Pastry. So, Four Season Pastry is my brand, and it has just completed its 1 year on September 15th. And on that day, I have received a funding. It has been granted by the co-founder of Centerco, Mr. Noordin Ahmed, UAE. So I would like to thank him.
Congratulations. How exciting. Congratulations. So, it's a true startup now, and it's so beautiful. Very nice. I
Thank
really
you.
wish you all the best. Go ahead, tell us some more.
So I would like to share you about my brand Four Season Pastry. So in Four Season Pastry, we have season-based cupcakes. So you'll be these cupcakes are based on season, and these are my signature. Other than this, I have various verticals and products. My first vertical is my cupcakes, cakes, sandwiches, many more. And my second vertical is my baking kit. I'll share you after saying my verticals. My third vertical is my baking class, and my last vertical is my motivational speeches for the college students, graduates, everybody. And the baking class is for kids, so I've just started it. So that's my third vertical. So these are my verticals. And as I said you before, I would like to share you about my baking kit. My baking kit is a STEM-based baking kit for kids between 7 to 14 years old, for both kids and teens. So they will learn the science behind baking from this baking kit. So that's
Wonderful.
typically about this baking kit, and you'll be having the ingredients in it. And this is also in a subscription model. One baking kit, and adults can also try this. Who are adults can try this, who are baking, they can try this. So and also I would like to share you another thing. uh Easy bake oven into this baking kit. Easy bake oven is not currently in India. So I would like to bring it. In India we don't currently have. And easy bake oven is a very portable oven. It can, everybody can carry it. So kids can take it to their picnic, grandmother's house, anywhere they want. So soon I will be incorporating this easy bake oven in my baking kit. So there's about my baking kit and my brand. Yeah.
Yeah. Wonderful. So, just to keep you posted, that little bit there is a little lag, and sometimes your signal becomes a bit weak. So, in the recording, finally, there might be a little bit of gap. And so, the Easy Bake oven, which you mentioned, can you tell me what is the kind of technology or how is it used? You said you can take to picnics, so that is really exciting. But what will it be running on? What will it be using for energy?
Actually, I have to study bit more of it. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know more about it, but it's actually it's like a typical oven, but the features like for carrying, and it would be like your automobile. You should set timing in your phone and then you can take it out. So those kind of things.
Very
So
nice.
the features may be little bit different, and it is same typical oven only, but it's the features a bit different. Yeah,
So this is
I would like to share you the baking kit.
yeah.
I'd like to show you it. Can I?
Yeah, please go ahead. I would have shared your website, but I would like it if you do also. That would be really nice. Go ahead.
Yeah, 1 minute.
So, Vinusha,
Um,
while we are waiting, are you good at math? I wanted to ask you that.
I'm a bit good.
Is it important to be good at math and calculations?
Yes, it is. It is actually it is. I'll share you. I'll
Yeah,
share
please.
you. Um, can you see it?
Not
So
yet.
this is the easy bake
Yeah.
oven.
Oh,
While
oh,
seeing it itself, you can see it is quite
yeah.
portable and it is meant for kids.
And I love the pink. Are there yellows and purples for the boys?
No,
Oh, there is.
actually, the
That's
Google
wonderful.
is showing like that actually.
Okay,
But yeah, it's really good. I think so. You can see this.
correct.
Yeah,
So, very
you
nice.
see.
So
This is actually good.
very nice. So I asked you about math. I also wanted to ask you about now you yourself brought up this technology component to it. Tell me more about how has technology helped you and how do you use it?
Okay. Actually, I use a lot of apps. This is
Mhm.
becoming a technology world.
Yes,
Be future, it would only be the robots, no manual. I think so that would happen actually. But it
you
takes some years. So
yeah.
I have been using a lot of apps actually, like Canva for creating posts. It makes the post making easier to make, and you need not to go to the designer to make it. You can make it by at your home itself. I did it, so
Mm.
I made it home. The most of the posters I
Is there
only
some
designed
poster
them.
which you want to share with us, which you designed and which got you very good
Sure.
response? Since my question is also about marketing effectiveness, so how did you
Mm,
know that this was liked by other people? Would you like to share that?
yeah. Sure. 1 minute. I will just share you the photo of it. Mm, wait a sec. Sorry.
Sure, sure. Take your time.
Mm, so I would like to share you this.
Would,
Yeah.
yeah. Would you like to
Um,
tell us about how that came about? What was the reason that you were creating while you were searching for the document? Would you like to show? Tell me something more
yeah.
about it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so beautiful and so heart touching. Tell me more about it. How did it come about?
Actually, yeah. So these posters,
Can, can
it
you leave
was
it on?
liked by.
Can you leave it on so I can look at the components and ask you little detail?
Sure, sure, sure. Actually, I was just showing a sample poster. Like that, I have many actually, more than 30, many more.
Okay,
Actually, how the people liked this, how we know the people liked it is that by reading the comment actually.
correct.
Um, by reading the comment in the
Hmm,
social media, I'm saying.
correct.
Mostly by that only we know how much of them liked it. Did they really like it? So, yeah,
And
those things will come.
do you track the shares also? Do you track the shares? Whether people shared
No,
it? Nice. Okay.
actually, not sharing, but I saw most of them didn't share, but they liked it. They
Okay.
liked it and they commented it. So
Very
through that will be you'll be knowing that if the person is liking or not, major of them.
hmm.
So yeah, I'll share you the poster once again. I have a lot of posters like that. Um, yeah, can you see
Yes,
it?
of course, it's beautiful. Let's create awareness about it. For seasons. The World Day Against Child Labor. Beautiful. All right. Food safety. Very good. I would have asked you questions about food safety. It's interesting because I myself, like, these are all being made by you. That's so wonderful. Okay.
I do something called Vinusha Talks. I would like to share you.
Yes.
I
Tell me.
interview young people around the globe. So
Uh-huh.
this is these both are brothers. They're from
Uh,
Malaysia. So I
okay.
have interviewed them. Most of them I have interviewed from Malaysia and India.
Uh-huh.
This is Sailaja Grace.
Uh-huh.
She is the CEO of Bloom Tea,
So, okay.
and she's doing great actually.
Wonderful. So
This is
wonderful.
Nana.
Uh,
I call her called Nana. Nana.
and then-
Actually, her name is Natalia Wong. She is the foodie chef. She calls herself, and she is a chef actually. And this is Ariana. So
uh-huh.
Blob Quest is she's developing an app about game. She is just in the
Mhm.
process of it, and
Beautiful.
this is actually this is my mom's friend in our
Uh-huh.
FP page. I just went there, and this is all the interviews I've gone to.
Beautiful. Very nice.
Sudha Murthy.
Sudhanti.
So
Yeah, thank you, Sudhanti. How wonderful is that? Very
I
nice. See,
love
again,
Sudha
a good model.
Murthy.
Yeah.
I love
She's a
Sudha
person.
Murthy. Her books are so awesome. She's
Yes.
very
Yes.
humble, and
Yes.
I like her a lot. So I specially made it for her.
Very. Did you
And
see it?
what?
Did she
I have
see it?
actually. I think so. I hope so. Actually, I've sent her mail 2 times, but there's a junk of mails in our. Uh,
Yes.
yes.
True. True.
So.
But you
Um,
made it. That is more important. That you enjoyed the process and you made it.
mm,
That was more very nice. And so, like you said, you track these through the likes and the comments which come in. Oh, okay. Vinusha, I'm so honored that I have you in my session today. Very nice. Wonderful.
yeah. This is kind of an event I'm going to conduct. I
Uh-huh.
was thinking
Yes.
to conduct baking
Yes.
class, as I said before.
Yes. Correct.
This is Krishna Jayanti.
Nice.
Um,
Oh,
um,
wonderful.
actually, I'm the zoo ambassador of Vandalur Zoo.
Okay.
So, International Tiger Day, I just
Uh-huh.
did it. I think so.
Very nice.
Enough of those posters.
Yes, thank you. So good question for me to ask you right at this point. Is you mentioned that you are doing the four seasons, so you have something which is your which is into four seasons. Then you have your bake kit, and you're doing a lot of talk shows and stuff. Tell me something more about the baking part of it. As to, I also want to know how did you decide to become into a company and why? I know you said you got funding now, but before, how did you decide and what made you think that this is the way forward for you?
Actually, I would like to share my journey for you, to you. So, I think so.
Thank
That will relate your question. So, my journey started when I was 8 years old. I always saw baking and food videos, but I never do it. I just tell my mom to do it and I just eat it. But when I was 9 years old, small change came over me. I baked a cake with my friend for my mother's birthday. At that time only, I came to know how much I loved baking. So, I was so mad into baking. I attended many classes to develop my skill in baking, and I went internship in a five-star hotel and a cafe where I had the hands-on experience with the chefs, and it was an amazing experience. I learned more about baking and confectionery, hot kitchen, everything. So, and my father and mother took me to many entrepreneurial sessions. I met a lot of entrepreneurs and I love reading books. I read books about entrepreneurs. I was
you.
inspired by their stories and ideas. I thought, why shouldn't I create my own brand? Then I started Force the Pastry actually. So that's how my journey came, and I was really inspired by the entrepreneurs to start my own brand. My brand, I officially started it on September 15, but I registered it as a private limited company on June 2020 actually.
Oh,
So
you're
yeah.
kind of still a young baby in the official, which is which brings me to the next thing which I want to ask you is that um, apart from the cooking, the baking part, which you want to share your knowledge with everybody, and I've seen you're also on Chupi TV, and you're doing a lot of talks. You're telling people how to go about it. And apart from all this, is there something else that you want to be known as? Are you going to be writing your own book, maybe?
Yes, I do love to read books. I'm planning to write a book. I may do it soon.
Have you
Yeah,
got an
I said
offer? Have you got an offer from a publisher or something?
no, not right now, but I am planning to write a book. So
Okay. So tell me something. How do you record what you're doing, whatever tasks that you're doing or new recipes which you come up with? How do you document it? How do you record it? How do you organize your?
um yes, so I keep a files for particular things. As you when you I'll just show you one thing. Can I? Yeah.
Yeah, please, please. It's your forum.
Actually, uh, 1 minute.
Sure.
Um, mm, can you see it?
I'm waiting. It's just coming up, I think.
Can you see it, Ram?
Not yet.
Can yeah?
No, it's just black screen. There's nothing else.
For me, it's showing actually.
No. Sorry.
I think so. Now you can see.
Yeah, now I can see your computer screen. Huh?
Yeah. Okay. Now, so I have set of things. You know this. So,
Ah,
mostly I have my document for everything. So,
okay.
for my baking kit, for my webinar, for my certificates, for my videos, for my documents, for the financial FSP, for some history documents,
Wonderful.
the packaging
Very
for
nice.
my baking kit, and my website. So I have I just schedule it and do this. So
You put
I'll
it
just
over for
document it in
yourself.
a way that I can find everything.
Okay.
So everything is in my laptop.
Uh-huh. And I'm sure you have a backup for
Yes,
everything.
I do. Yes, I
So,
do.
so you would say that technology, was my original question, is the technology plays a big role for you in being able to see how your task is, organizing yourself, and keeping uh,
Yes, it does.
tracking the marketing efforts of it. So, as a brand and as a marketing effort, you mentioned, I know you're on LinkedIn. I connected with you on LinkedIn. I know you're on Facebook and Instagram. I also know that your parents keep track of that and they help you to maneuver that and manage that. And so, what what is the role that your parents are playing is like a very big support system which they have been for you, yes,
Yes.
and which is whether it's your mother or whether it is your father, correct? So what do you think you would like to be telling people who want to become entrepreneurs as to how they should take support from other people in their journey, because entrepreneurship is a very lonely journey otherwise. Luckily you are young, and otherwise entrepreneurs feel very lonely. They are alone. They're scared to share their ideas with other people because in case if it gets taken away by other people, and or they may be laughed at, so they are a little bit always, it's a little lonely out there. What do you think?
Yes.
What would you tell them about what kind of support that they should look at, or what would you advise and suggest to them which has worked for you?
Okay. I would say you that please come to me. I'd be really happy to help you.
Oh,
That is
that's
the
wonderful.
only thing I would like to say to everybody. I would love to help you all who want
Okay,
support in their entrepreneurial journey, to start their journey, to start their brand. Please do come. I will surely help you.
okay. Now I know that you're having online lessons because of the pandemic, right? So in some ways, it gives us more time because we don't have to travel the distance. We're not so
Mhm.
exhausted, right? So. How? What do you think would have been a similar situation if you were going to school face to face? How do you think you would have managed at that time? What would you have done differently?
Actually, while going to my school, also I was able to deliver because there's a many ways to deliver it. Like I can deliver it through Dunzo, I can deliver it through my parents, my parents can go and deliver, or I can hire a delivery boy. At
Right.
that time, I would have done it in Dunzo, of course, or I have employed a delivery boy.
Okay, nice, good idea. So that means we need external resources, we need people to help them, and you need to trust people. That is
Yes, we
kind of
we, we must trust something.
right, which is so important. And I'm very glad to know because trust is such an important factor whenever
You
it
have to
comes
build
to
trust in everybody, and you should trust.
right, right. And would you like me to share the website for a few
Sure.
minutes?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Yes, lovely. Like me to go to some, you said you mentioned about the baking kit.
Yes.
You did say something about the media, and I would like to quickly just take a scroll because so that the audience can take a look at the yes, media. Hmm. If you would
Yeah,
like to
sure.
talk, I know you got a mail from Sanjeev Kapoor. We all know about it through
Yes,
LinkedIn.
I do.
Uh, tell me more. Anything else that you want to focus? Something which is close to your heart and which was unexpected, or maybe you planned and went and then you got a coverage for it. Tell me, is there anything here?
Um, uh, Actually, the Radio City one, I didn't think I would be selected there. Actually, I got the award from them.
Wow,
Both
congratulations!
Levista and Radio City, both
This is
partnered.
the one. Is
So
this the one?
yes, that is. I was really surprised that they have called me. It was 1 year back, and I was so scared and surprised. So both feelings mixed together.
Right.
So
So
yeah,
we have a
yeah.
different.
I think
We
so.
have
This is you can see um another thing. Can you scroll a bit down?
yeah here.
Yeah, the award. I'm getting
Yeah,
award, right? That is the
yeah,
one
here.
where I got the
Oh,
award.
yeah, I can see the Radio City back in the background. Very, very
Yes,
nice.
yes.
Wonderful, wonderful. So congratulations. So nice to
I
see.
didn't think I would have gone there actually.
It's always nice to be recognized, and especially when you put the efforts behind it, it's always really very, you feel so much happier about it. And you have
But
been
at
putting
this
effort. Go ahead.
but at the same time, you shouldn't be overconfident actually. Because when everything comes to you, when you get the limelight, when you get the center of attraction, you just find you just don't you will become overconfident actually. Just maintain the same level, be humble actually. But at the same time, we should be like that also.
Very, very true, very true. It is very important to remember and to be grounded, and also to remember that you will get fair weather friends, and you have to um, kind of manage, and that is so really important. Tell me something, Vinusha. Um, after about, I usually ask a question saying, after 5 years, where do you see yourself? But I'm going to ask you, after 15, where do you see yourself? Or 10,
15
10 years,
years
after 10 years, what are you doing? What is Vinusha doing? Where is she living? What kind of a lifestyle is that?
Okay. I would say I want Fostis and Pastry to be the number one brand in the food industry and baking industry globally. So I
Wonderful,
want that to happen.
wonderful.
Not in 10 years, but in 5 years, actually. I want
One,
that to
very nice.
happen.
Yes, why not? Why not?
Yes.
Definitely.
And I do want to start a baking institute, actually. So that's my
Very nice.
long term goal, kinda. And
Mhm.
I want to expand my baking kit throughout India, pan India, or globally. So,
Very nice.
and
So you're looking, okay, so you're looking for more people to become interested in baking. So is there any specific, I know baking used to be, when we were small, we just had a oven, or we used to do in the cooker. My mother used to do it in the cooker without the gasket and, do the baking like that. And then baking has become an entirely a different uh, segment.
yes,
Yeah. And we have given it so many beautiful Indian flavors, Asian flavors, Middle Eastern flavors to it, that now it is not any categorized into anything like that. Also, vegetarian, eggless, vegan, so many other different types
vegan,
of,
yes.
yeah,
Yeah, vegan is becoming trending.
yes. So have you been experimenting with that?
And just so
Going through.
when I think when you go vegan, I think like if you are not using egg, you can use curd. But in vegan, you should not use curd, milk
Right,
products.
right.
So
Yeah.
I'm just thinking, I'm just going into that. So I'm thinking about it. There's all,
Okay.
I think so. There's a vegan butter. I'm just thinking about it. I may invent the vegan cake, those things and all. Yeah, vegan is trending actually.
Uh, right, it is. So I've, with a little bit background of my thing, I have done research on what people choose, how they choose to buy their fruits and vegetables in the UAE, and which is pretty much applicable everywhere. Because here in UAE, we have 200 nationality, and you have no seasonality. All foods, fruits, everything is available everywhere throughout. We don't have any seasonality. And now this non-seasonality concept has come everywhere. In fact, all over the world, you get
World.
anything which
Yeah.
yes, you're ready to pay, you will get. But at the same time, there was one concept of sustainability which came out of this, which was about the food waste, the fruit and vegetable waste, which in rural India we would give to the cattle. In cities, we don't have any,
Yes.
but we are very conscious and we are composting that in India in most cities. You keep it separate and
Yes, we
create a
do.
compost. Which in UAE now it's growing. It was not there much when I had done my research, but now we are going into it. And so, with that in mind, in one of the things in that was about packaging, labeling, and there was also about the portion size. Tell me about that. Do you think about these things? Have you thought about the portion sizes, and how do you decide on that? What is
Actually, I would like to. I have thought about the designing packaging.
right?
It takes a lot of time. The designing thing and the packaging thing. I would take myself as an example. So in my brand, when I wanted a cupcake box, to be designed and to be nice, I wanted to be nice and liftable, and
Easy,
they can
convenient,
take,
convenient. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
convenient. Um, but it was not possible actually. It was really costly. It was
Mm-hmm.
not efficient for us, but in the beginning actually. uh,
Mm.
right now I'm just developing on that. After my funding, I'm just thinking to develop on that actually. So I have thought about that packaging. It's really costly because when you see, let me give you an example. For my baking kit boxes,
Mm.
if you buy 50 or 100 boxes, you'll get the per box would be like 50 or 60 rupees one
Okay.
box. When
Mm-hmm.
you take it as 1,000 or 1,500, more than 1,005, those things, you
Mm-hmm.
will have around like lowered in price up to like 10 rupees per
True, true.
piece. So
Okay.
it's really difficult for me because I'm just starting it in low scale
Yeah,
right now.
yeah,
So
but
I have thought about
yeah, bringing 1,000 boxes, storing it, taking care of it, that is all channel management, where you
challenging.
have to,
Yeah.
yes, risk. There is a risk about how you will keep it safely, and then maybe you want to change your design of the outer package later on.
If you buy, if you have bought all the things in same design and you
Yeah,
want to buy another thing in another design, what will you do?
right. So have you thought about collaborating with somebody who is probably ready for a sponsorship or ready to
Right
offer?
now, I have not thought about it, but yeah,
Okay.
I may. Yeah,
Yes, somebody whose everyday business
interested.
is this. Yeah, whose everyday business is this, and they just give you the number of boxes that you want, depending on. Yes. So, like I said before, that the wastage from food is again, food waste is a big thing. I don't know when. I'm sure you also get told that when we were small, we were told if you waste food, so somebody is hungry somewhere, things like that. And very unfortunately, many restaurants, hotels, though they don't want to waste food, people kind of they do waste food. And I've taken pictures and I've posted pictures of this on my social media, saying that we should be more careful about how we choose, what we choose, and things. How do you avoid food wastage? What do you do?
Actually, and the food waste. So it's actually, I would say it's a big. We dump a lot of food waste in the land in India. So
Right.
I think so that must be avoided, and that's my opinion on it. And when it comes to me, Mostly I don't get food wastage actually, because I'm using it how much ever I want. How much I want,
Correct.
let me take a bit. Then if I want more, let me do it. So
Very
I
nice.
don't right now I'm not doing it large scale where everything must be dumped in. But when you get an order for 50 cakes and they cancel the order off, you need to put it in it. But I confirm it, sorry. But I
No,
confirm it again that if they want the order or not. So it can be prevented from the food wastage actually.
that's very good.
It is dumped into our lands. That is very um toxic for us.
Correct.
For
Yes.
us.
Yes. Very true. So it's very nice that you're conscious about it and you have a long journey to go ahead. So once you have these basic rules in mind that yes, I'm going to reconfirm again, I'm not just going to make, and then that means that we are driven more by our passion rather than just by what we are going to get from in terms of money or in terms of name, fame,
Money.
whatever. I
Yes.
think it makes a lot of difference in the way you see it.
Yes.
And then tomorrow, when you have 10, 15 people
Mm.
working under you, or a whole lot of people working under you, working under your guidance, they will also be guided by the same. This is what we call as a culture, which is the culture of the organization which you are creating. So thank you so much. It has been great talking to you. I know you love cycling. I was hearing your other interview. I know you love cycling. Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I do. I love reading. I love reading books.
Tell me some book of yours which is favorite, and if you can see something which is nearby your table, maybe you could read out some quote or some line for us.
1 minute, can you?
I'll wait, of course.
Actually, I always have bunch of books near me. This is my bedroom actually, where I just lay over here and start reading. So I
Reading.
have about like 4 books.
Oh, so okay. Tell me which one.
Yeah.
Read something out.
This is Sudha Murthy's. It's
Yeah,
about mythology. I'm not into mythology a lot, but when I read this book, I got quite interested,
interesting.
and yeah, quite
We
interested.
used to read Amar Chitra Kathas when we were small, and they were like, so we knew a lot of stuff about history, about mythology. I still love Amar
Actually,
Chitra
I love
Kathas.
history. I love EVS, environmental science. Um,
Okay.
yeah, I love science, and my science teacher also.
Yes, I
And
know. I think is her name also Sudha? Is she the teacher?
yes, she
I heard
is.
your interview in somewhere. I
I
think
say her always everywhere. Actually, she is my best teacher. She supports me a lot. Actually,
that's wonderful. And then you have created a STEM kind of a thing backing. That is what you're doing. So, are there any other teachers or anybody else who's helping you with this apart from your parents, or you're just brainstorming and doing it with
I
them?
have a lot of mentors. I have 3 mentors. Suresh Nusami, who is
Mm,
the he's the director of Dosakal. It's a
mm,
restaurant in Tamil Nadu. It's full in
mm,
Tamil Nadu. And the second mentor is Lakshmi Reddy. She helped me in this thing.
mm.
She helped me a bit in this how to um, get the products right, get the ingredients right in this baking kit.
Mm-hmm.
How much the proportion, everything. She's an excellent baker, chef, and she's excellent in chocolates. And because of her, only I came to know more about chocolates, and
Wow, wow.
I made chocolates at home. Um, so
Okay.
it's really easy to make. It is really, really easy actually. If you come to
Right?
know, that's all how they make the
No,
chocolate,
no, no.
you will
Shh.
know.
Don't discuss the tracing. Maybe
Actually,
in
Lakshmi
another
Reddy
session.
ma'am has helped me a lot.
And
And my third mentor is GK, Geeta Krishnan sir. He has
mhm.
also helped me a lot, and he has 42 years of experience in baking. And
Wow.
he's an awesome mentor. Actually, he's the mentor of Lakshmi Reddy. He was a mentor of Lakshmi Reddy. She was a student
And
under
that's
JK
so
Krishnan.
so wonderful. So you have actually created many communities. One is a community with your mentors. One is a community that you are with, and with all these young people who you are interviewing and who you are having discussions with. So it's so nice that you grow together along in the journey of life. you take some information, inspiration from each other. And are you going to read something? Did you say you're going to read something? Are you going to
Yeah,
read
I'll
out?
just read a bit so that you don't get
Which book
like
is this? No, no,
this
whatever.
is written by R.K. Narayan.
And what's
Narayan. Swami and his friends.
Oh,
It's
that's such a
kind.
lovely. It brings me back, goes takes me back to my childhood. Of course, we used to read Enid Blyton also, and she used to write such lovely baking things. I don't know if you've read Enid Blyton. I don't know if anybody reads Enid Blyton nowadays, but they used to
Yeah.
have lots of cakes and jams and pastries, and they would lay it out in the picnic area, and they would eat, and it used to be so good to.
My mouth is watering. So the next book is written by Sudha Murthy. It's called Grandma's Bag of Stories. It's the
Yes.
first book I read of hers. And the another book is Three Idiots. Um,
Wow. So this is by Jack Canfield. Is it Jack Canfield?
yes, it is. It's a series of chicken
Wonderful.
soup for the soul. Um,
Yes.
the chicken soup for the Indian preteen soul. There's many like that actually.
Ah,
There's a lot.
right,
There's a lot of
right.
series.
Right.
Yeah, I have four books like this. There's four series.
Oh, okay, wonderful. I think, have you told Jack Canfield that you have been reading him?
No.
Okay, so there is we'll talk after this, and I'll put you through to somebody who knows Jack Canfield because I've been attending webinars on what Jack Canfield does, and I'm sure he'll be so happy to know that you are such a great fan of it. I'll definitely, we will connect on that point, and
Sure. I would
sure.
love to.
That
Yeah.
would, I know. I can see you're so excited. I hope Sudha Murthy is going to watch you and you see your thing at some point. Let's see how we are able to make it.
I would like to read a small story, quite small story.
Okay.
From the
Okay.
grandma's back of stories. It's quite small, but it's really clever story of a farmer. Yeah. Do we have time
Sure.
for it?
It's between you and me. I'm listening to you. I'm your audience in any case, and a fan.
Okay. Okay. The story name is Kaveri and the thief. The children had gone with their Aja to paddy the fields that morning. They were all city kids and did not know a thing about farming. On the way, Anand was surprised to see a bird's nest on top of a tree. He said,
Mhm.
Aja, I wonder how birds decide where and how to make their nest. Aja said, the straw in the nest is from the paddy field. Do you know farming helps human beings as well as birds? Krishna replied, Aja, I thought wheat and rice can be plucked from trees like mangoes. But today I realized there is so much work in farming. That afternoon, after lunch, when they gathered around Aji for the day's story, she looked sharply at the children. They had enjoyed learning about farming. Activities like cleaning seed, separating straw from the paddy.
Mhm.
In the city, everything came from the supermarket, but they have seen how things were really produced. Aji said, farming is very important. If farmers do not grow any food, what will we eat? Anand said thoughtfully, if farmers do such important work, why are they so poor? That's true, my dear, Aji said, fanning herself. Of course, there are rich farmers too, people who own lots of land. But many in our country still have small pieces of land, so make less money. Then, seeing at the kid's crestfallen face, she put down her pan and sat up and said, "But I can tell you a story of a poor farmer woman who did not remain very poor, all due to her sharp wit." Tell
Oh.
Aji, do tell, the kids yelled. So Aji started a story. Actually, now only the story is
Story
starting
was short.
actually. actually, actually, it's like a conversation, then it's coming to a story.
Very
Do you
nice.
have time? Actually, I just want to check with you because it's, yeah. Do you
So
have
what?
time?
Yeah, you can if you want to read the remaining. I am happy to listen. What I'll do is when I'm actually just give me a second. Please go ahead, Vinusha. I'm so happy and excited to hear your story, and you're reading out. Hello, Vinusha.
Hello?
Vinusha, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So
Ma'am?
actually, this. Hello, Vinusha. Thank you so much for reading for us. And I hope in another session that we get to listen to you more. And is there some last takeaway which you would like to tell people, your audience who are listening to you, young people, old people, people everywhere?
I would like to say you that follow your passion, do what you like, and never give up. So these are the three sentences I would like to say to everybody. Thank you.
Thank, thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you
so
so
much.
much for
That,
inviting me here, ma'am. Um,
thank you.
thank you so
I,
much, and yeah,
we wish you all the very best, and I will want to congratulate you on your achievements. And I hope to see you grow exponentially and follow your passion the way you are telling everyone to follow their passion by themselves. So
thank
wonderful.
you, ma'am. Thank
Great.
you.
And I wish to congratulate your parents also for giving you this wonderful support. And
Thank
we are
you.
watching your growth with happiness and with good wishes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, and thank you. Bye, everybody.